Challenge Year 13!
Outfit check. Adidas Runners. Shirt. Coros Phase 2. 2X. Cycling. From Shopee. 361 degree shoe. Sock 361. Let's go! We are here at Vermosa. So, we're participating sa 110K today. So, we hope na makuha natin yung target time natin. Let's go. Clearan tayo. Pawis muna bago tayo mag-takbo. First of one. This is the first time sunset sa buwan na sasalihan natin. So kudos to Sir Jeff for bringing the PF sub 1 dito sa Vermosa na napakagandang ruta.
Are you guys ready for the 2025 Pinoy Fitness Sub 110K Challenge? Guys, sino yung first timer na mag-try mag-sub 1? Who among you guys are here to try to run their fastest 10K? This is our first sunset race here in Vermosa. And we want everyone sana to be able to break their PR today. Able to run, it's a one loop race. Pabilisan tayo today, guys. This year will be our elite team. Yung elite wave natin, the first 300 will get gold medals. So as always, we remind runners to be able to prioritize safety. Always listen to your body. Our pacers will hold the pace line. It means they will run exactly 1 hour. So if you're in front of the yellow balloon, pasok ka pa sa cut-off. So I hope you guys the best. Run safe, run fast, and wait for you guys at the finish line.
Let's go, Paul! Nice one!
Nakawa tayo ng gold. Congrats!
Team ARC Manila 3! Tatak naman tong mga to.